In 2024, most people are focused on crypto right now, but I believe that the crypto markets will make new all-time highs in the fourth quarter. As rate cuts go down, the market will definitely go up. If you want to invest, just invest in long-term, not like a short-term trade which make you lose money. In the end of the day, long-term trades will always win the game. Hello, my name is Toni. I've been with eToro since 2020. I love the platform because it has a news feed that I can publicly view my ideas to my copiers and followers. It gives a chance for my copiers to copy me and help them build wealth. As a property investor, I focus on mainly growth aspects and innovation technology. I'm also focused on crypto and 4-year halving events, and also on macro investor. My strategy is mainly on growth focus because I believe that growth and technology will be the future of the BL future. I also tend to retain to other asset classes as market cycle approaches. The tip I want to give to new investors is that if you want to invest, just invest in long term, not like a short-term trade which make you lose money. In the end of the day, long-term trades will always win the game. How I adapt to changes in the market is that when markets go down, just take a step back and just view the market as a whole. In the long run, market always goes up, so don't worry about the short-term fluctuations. To the new investors, why you should copy me? Because I have a strategy that works in the long term. I've made about 60% average gains in the last 5 years since 2020, and I will continue to do that moving forward. In 2024, most people are focused on crypto right now, but I believe that the crypto markets will make new all-time highs in the fourth quarter. As rate cuts go down, the market will definitely go up. What I love eToro is all the news feed and all the copy features. It gives everybody the chance to interact with each other and learn from each other for years to come.